Hey guys, we're back with another install. This is your girl Benlin Queen. Today we'll be installing a wig from Amazon. This is a 13 by 4 22-inch lace front wig. It is a straight wig. It is 150 density. It is super thick. I love it. They are also having a Black Friday sale, so make sure you do click that link down below. I'll be using lace layer glue to install this wig today. Lace layer glue is a waterproof glue. This will also be linked down below as well. So right now I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using 15 and 11 from Marie Kisses, and I'm mixing them together to get the complexion I need. Then I'm going to go in with my flat iron and flatten out the hair. Then we're just going to take a little eating break. So this is how the hair looks. This is how it came out. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video right quick. If you like these videos and you like to see more tutorials, make sure you guys do share, follow, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.